This is Benny, I'm pretty sure. Benny the boy. Benny the only boy. Yep, that's right. So, this is actually the first time I've ever fed them anything but milk. And this is hamburger meat. They're like, yeah, we're ready. They're 3 weeks old. Sunday night, Monday morning. They should have been born Sunday night. This is Big Bertha. There, Big Bertha. You know, she was like, yeah, I like the hamburger meat. Thank you. I like this girl's head. She's the smallest girl. I like all of them, but I really like her. Here, Big Bertha. Here. One time one of them was sleeping. It sounded asleep, and I put the food in front of its mouth. And it woke it up, smelling the food, you know. And they wake up screaming. I just gave you the bottle. I don't have a bottle, and you don't need a bottle. We're going to go get you some of that soft canned food that I like to feed. It's $3 and something cents a can. There they are. They're 3 weeks old. We're not. I'm about sucking my finger. You think milk comes out? I do give my bottle about 3 times a day. Okay, so I'm going